let's talk about the parts of flower today. Now this is the hibiscus plant that has been dissected. So see, this is the apicalyx. These are the small leafy structures. Now this is the petal. Now this is the hibiscus flower's petals, and the whorl of petals is known as corolla. Now here comes the calyx. Now what is calyx? It is the whorl of sepals. All the sepals make the whorl that is known as calyx. And here in this condition the sepals are fused. सारी sepals देखो fused दिख रही है ना, एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई है, अलग अलग नहीं है, तो हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? गैमोसेप्लस. फिर इधर देखते हैं हम, ये है हमारा इसका मेल part of the plant. Now male part of the plant में क्या है? As we all know, hibiscus is bisexual. That means it contains both male and female part inside it. Now see, this is the anther. Anther contains pollen sacs, and pollen sacs contains pollen grains when we see it in the microscope. Now this is the filament, and anther plus filament makes it stamen, and all the whorls of stamen combine to form androecium. Now here we talk about the female part of the plant. The female part of the plant is known as gynoecium. Now what does gynoecium consist of? It consists of carpels, and again the whorl of carpels is known as gynoecium. This is the stigma, this is the style, and this is the ovary. Now ovary, stigma and style form the gynoecium. Now these are some other parts, that is your thalamus. This is also known as receptacle, and this is the pedicel, that is the stalk of the plant.